Today I'm going to show you how to make a bow in 10 minutes or less without any tools. These are bamboo garden stakes. About 15 of these makes a bow with a 20 or 30 pound draw weight. Using duct tape, just start binding the sticks together in a bundle. Stagger them so that your bow tapers from thick to thin. At the tips, try to leave a little nub that can hold the string, acting as the knock. Wrap the bow tightly so that nothing can move when you bend it. For the string, I'm using paracord. This isn't a very good bowstring material, but it's good enough for this. Cut a piece the length of the bow, plus about 10 inches. For the top loop of the string, tie a simple overhand knot. For the bottom loop, I'll be showing you how to tie an adjustable timber hitch. This way we can change the length of the string to adjust the brace height of the bow. Start by making a loop, and then rotate the loop around. Finally, pass the end of the string through the loop twice. Pull to tighten. Now we're ready to brace the bow. Put the top loop around one of the nocks, and flip the bow upside down so that we can work on the bottom side now. Tie a timber hitch so that the final bowstring is about 4 inches shorter than the bow. Now we can string the bow. Clearly the brace height is too short, so I'll take the string off and adjust the string to make it shorter. After tying a new timber hitch, the brace height is looking better, but still a little short. We're looking for a brace of about 1 fist melee, or the length of your hand, in a thumbs up position. Now let's cover how to make some quick arrows. These are made of campfire skewers. For very lightweight bows, you can shoot these as individual arrows, but for most cases you should bundle them into 2 or 3 per arrow. Stronger bows need stiffer arrows. If you use a bow that's too strong for the arrow, you could break the arrow while you shoot it, which could be dangerous. This style of duct tape knock won't work well if you use a Mediterranean draw, but it's good for thumb draw or pinch grip, as well as a secondary or tertiary draw. This simple fletching style uses 3 pieces of duct tape. They don't have to be perfect, they just have to add some drag to the back of the arrow. Finally, add some duct tape to the front of the arrow to add some mass to the front. Experiment with different amounts to see what works best with your bow and arrow combination. If you're interested in the craft of bow making and how to make much nicer bows and arrows, then check out my other tutorials. Thank you to my awesome cousin for all the music. You can find more by Marcos Topolanski Quintero on iTunes and Spotify. May the bow gods be with you, and may your arrows fly true.